Hey, foodies, ever wondered how to nail that finger-licking good KFC taste right at home? Today, I'm gonna show you the secret to making KFC's original recipe chicken. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, we gotta talk about the seasonings. KFC's secret blend has 11 herbs and spices, but I'll let you in on a little secret. The main players here are salt, pepper, and accent seasoning. Yep, accent contains 9 other herbs and spices that give you that authentic KFC flavor. Start by mixing salt and pepper into your accent seasoning. Season to taste, but remember, this is the key to getting that signature flavor. Now let's move on to the chicken. Make sure your chicken pieces are nice and dry before you coat them. This helps the seasoning stick better. Generously coat each piece with your seasoning blend. Next, we need to talk about frying. The magic happens in a pressure cooker. This, my friends, is the secret to that crispy yet juicy chicken. Heat your oil in the pressure cooker to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your seasoned chicken pieces into the hot oil. Be sure not to overcrowd the cooker to ensure even cooking. Seal the pressure cooker and fry the chicken for about 10-12 minutes. This method cooks the chicken quickly while keeping it super moist inside. After frying, carefully release the pressure and remove the chicken. Place it on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Let it rest for a few minutes before digging in. And there you have it. Crispy, juicy, homemade KFC-style chicken. Perfect for impressing your friends or just indulging yourself. Don't forget to experiment a bit with the seasoning to make it your own. After all, the best part of cooking is making each dish uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.